Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And apparently there's some tropical storm thing going on over here. Just think it's really laggy. See this? Faye? What the heck? They're just coming up with weird names now for these hurricanes. What is this? Oh, General Thunder, Tropical Storm Warning, and Flash Flood Watch. Flash Flood Watch. Okay, I didn't know it was that color, is it? Is that what this is? Okay, that's tropical storm warning. Yeah, I know, it's tropical storm warning. And where I am located is right over here. Jeez, the signal's horrible. And this is all this stuff. This is a slight risk and other stuff. Hoping I would get some things today on camera. And there's a flash, yeah, I know. Flash flood watch in Massachusetts and other states. I don't know why I highlighted that one, or Massachusetts. No, Massachusetts. And, oh, you can see all that on Faye. Hurricane Faye. Oh. It's doing it again. They used to just go through Florida like this. No. They just went through Florida like this all the time. They used to do that. But now, we had one in this year that went up like this. It went up around. But this one's apparently going like this. I mean, what is that? What is happening? I don't understand. They're all going. I swear if it does this. No, stop glitching out! I swear if it goes up like this. Oh my god, what the heck is this? What is going on? I swear I'm holding it still and it's doing something. Well, I swear if this hurricane does this, I swear if it goes up over here, I'm going to explode. Stupid! Anyways, I'm out.